over the last few decades, average testosterone levels in men have been steadily declining? In fact, studies suggest that men today may have 15 to 20% lower testosterone levels than men the same age a few decades ago. This vital hormone plays a key role in building muscle mass, burning fat, and maintaining sexual health. But it's not just important for hitting the gym, it's essential for general well-being. So, what can you do about it? Well, you're in luck, because by the end of the video, you'll be packed with actionable tips that you can start incorporating into your daily routine right now. We're going to cover everything from the best foods and essential vitamins to specific exercises and good habits that naturally boost your testosterone levels. Segment 1. Diet. So, what are the things that affect your levels of testosterone in your body? Let's dive into one of the most delicious parts of boosting your testosterone: your diet. Yes, what you eat has a powerful impact on your hormone levels, and some foods are particularly potent in giving your testosterone a natural boost. First up, fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These aren't just great for your heart health, they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for testosterone production. Omega-3s help maintain cell membrane health and hormonal balance, which can directly influence your testosterone levels. Dietary fat is a key nutrient for the hormonal system, especially as a primary component in steroid hormone synthesis. Health guidelines suggest keeping dietary fat intake no lower than 25% of total calories for everyone, athletes included. Studies have indicated that high-fat diets, which elevate cholesterol levels, can potentially enhance testosterone production. Research has consistently shown that diets rich in fats, like those found in fatty fish, correlate with increased testosterone levels. This is further exemplified in studies comparing ketogenic diets, where you increase your fat intake and lower your carbs, and non-ketogenic diets in resistance-trained men, both showing significant testosterone increases during resistance training programs. Additionally, a systematic review found that low-fat diets tend to decrease testosterone levels, highlighting the positive impacts of fats like omega-3s on hormone concentrations. Thus, incorporating fatty fish into your diet not only supports heart health, but also bolsters testosterone levels through its omega-3 content. Now let's talk about leafy greens. Foods like spinach and Swiss chard are rich in magnesium, a mineral that's been shown to correlate with higher testosterone levels. Magnesium helps in reducing oxidative stress, which is essential for maintaining optimal testosterone production. Moving on to pomegranates. This fruit is not only a superfood, but also a testosterone booster. Pomegranates reduce stress and blood pressure, and studies have linked their juice to increased testosterone levels and improved sexual performance and mood. And let's not forget about ginger and onions. Ginger has been used for centuries to enhance vitality, and recent research supports its role in boosting testosterone levels. Onions, meanwhile, contain antioxidants that not only support heart health, but also aid in increasing testosterone by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Incorporating these foods into your meals is easier than you might think. For breakfast, why not try a salmon omelet with a side of sautéed spinach? Snack on pomegranate seeds throughout the day or drink a glass of juice in the morning. And for dinner, stir fry with plenty of ginger and onions can be both a flavorful and testosterone-friendly option. Remember, variety is key. Mixing these foods into your diet not only helps with testosterone levels, but also ensures you get a broad spectrum of nutrients, essential for overall health. Segment 2. Vitamins and supplements. While food is a fantastic start, let's not overlook the vital role of specific vitamins and minerals in testosterone production. Getting the right nutrients can significantly enhance the body's ability to produce testosterone naturally. First on our list is vitamin D, often nicknamed the sunshine vitamin. There's a strong link between vitamin D levels and testosterone. Studies have shown that men with sufficient vitamin D levels have significantly higher testosterone than those with a deficiency. It's especially crucial during the winter months when sunlight is scarce. Next is zinc, an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in hormone production, including testosterone. Zinc helps your immune system and metabolism function. It is also important in the synthesis of testosterone. Oysters, red meat, poultry, beans, and nuts are all excellent sources of zinc. Up next, we have magnesium. This mineral supports hundreds of chemical reactions in your body, including testosterone production. It works by decreasing the body's oxidative stress, which is beneficial for maintaining testosterone levels. Foods like almonds, spinach, and whole grains are rich in magnesium, so you better add them next to your grocery list. Dietary recommendations suggest an intake of 400 to 420 milligrams daily for men and 310 to 320 milligrams for women. However, it's noted that athletes often fail to achieve these levels through diet alone, leading to a heightened risk of deficiency. And that is exactly why you should consider taking them through supplementation. Research has demonstrated a correlation between magnesium and testosterone, where higher magnesium levels correspond with higher testosterone levels. For instance, one study observed that magnesium supplementation in combination with endurance training significantly elevated both free and total testosterone in young men. Similarly, a study among older men showed a significant link between magnesium levels and testosterone, suggesting that magnesium's role extends across age groups. While a balanced diet can provide you with these nutrients, it might not always be enough, especially when you're deficient in any of them. That's where supplements come into play. When it comes to supplementation, it's essential to choose high-quality products and to consult with a healthcare provider to ensure they're necessary and suitable for your specific health needs. Over-supplementing can have adverse effects, so you want to make sure you're taking the right amounts based on your body's requirements. Integrating these vitamins and minerals into your diet can significantly boost your testosterone levels and improve your overall health. Start by addressing your diet. Consider getting your levels checked, and then decide if supplementation might be right for you. Are there any supplements you've found particularly effective? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't go away, because up next, we're coming to the star of the show. We're talking about the best exercises to naturally increase your testosterone levels. Segment 3, best exercises to boost testosterone levels. Now that we've covered what to eat and the essential nutrients to include in your diet, let's get moving and talk about the physical side of boosting your testosterone. Exercise isn't just for muscle growth, it's also vital to enhance testosterone in your body. But how? It turns out that while exercise can indeed help boost testosterone levels, studies have shown that actual impact varies a lot based on a few key factors. So, if you're looking to optimize your workouts for testosterone, here's what you need to consider. A. Type of exercise. Whether you're hitting the weights for some resistance training or going on a long run, the kind of exercise you do can influence how much your testosterone levels rise. B. Intensity and rest. How hard and long you train, along with how much rest you take between sessions, plays a big role. Pushing yourself might spike your levels more, but everybody's body reacts differently. C. Who's exercising? Are you young or old? Lean or carrying a bit extra? An athlete or more of a couch potato? All these personal factors affect how your body responds to exercise in terms of testosterone production. D. Timing of measurement. When you check your testosterone levels also matters. Right after finishing exercising might show different results compared to a few hours later. So as you can see, boosting testosterone through exercise is not a one-size-fits-all scenario. Future research will hopefully clear up exactly how these factors play together and how they might affect other aspects of health tied to testosterone. It's a complex interplay, but understanding it can really help tailor your fitness routine for the best hormonal balance. Not all exercises are created equal when it comes to enhancing testosterone. Let's focus on the most effective types that you can incorporate into your routine. First up, resistance training. Lifting weights is one of the best ways to boost testosterone. Exercises like squats and deadlifts are particularly effective because they involve large muscle groups, which require more effort and hormonal response to recover and grow stronger. Including resistance training exercises into your workout can significantly impact your testosterone levels, especially when performed at a high intensity with weights that challenge you but still allow for proper form. Next, let's talk about high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. This type of training involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by a recovery period. HIIT not only burns fat, but has also been shown to significantly spike testosterone levels, improving overall hormonal balance. The beauty of HIIT is that it can be done in any setting with minimal equipment and can still provide a substantial testosterone boost. Plus, it's time efficient. Most HIIT workouts can be completed in 30 minutes or less. When it comes to scheduling these exercises, timing can play a critical role. Studies suggest that testosterone levels are naturally higher in the morning, making it an optimal time to engage in these workouts. However, the most important aspect is consistency. Aim to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 3 times a week to see the best results. Remember, regular physical activity not only raises your testosterone levels, but also improves your energy, mood, and overall health. So, lace up those sneakers and get moving. Segment 4, good habits. And now, don't underestimate the power of your daily habits and lifestyle choices. You can actually improve your hormonal health by changing your lifestyle. So let's delve into some essential habits that can profoundly boost testosterone. First, let's talk about sleep. Quality sleep is foundational not just for your energy levels, but also for hormone production, including testosterone. Studies show that lack of sleep can significantly lower testosterone levels in men. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night to help maintain optimal hormone levels. Next up, stress reduction. Chronic stress is a major enemy of testosterone. It raises levels of cortisol, a hormone that negatively affects testosterone. Incorporating stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or even simple deep breathing exercises can help keep cortisol levels in check and support overall hormonal balance. Another key habit is avoiding certain chemicals that can act as endocrine disruptors. These are found in many plastics, personal care products, and processed foods. They can mimic hormones in the body and disrupt your natural hormonal balance. Opt for natural products and store your food in glass containers rather than plastic to reduce exposure. Finally, building a consistent daily routine supports hormonal health. Having a regular schedule for meals, exercise, relaxation, and sleep can help your body maintain a stable environment for hormone production. Consistency is key, and setting a routine that includes the habits we've discussed will reinforce your body's natural rhythms and boost testosterone. Implementing these lifestyle adjustments can transform not just your hormonal health, but your overall well-being. Start small, perhaps with improving your sleep environment or introducing 10 minutes of meditation into your day. It's about making manageable changes that add up to big health benefits. Start with 1 or 2 changes and gradually build up. Remember, improving your testosterone levels can significantly enhance your health, energy, and overall quality of life. But raising your testosterone levels is not the end of the story. In order to maximize your gains, you need to increase your protein intake as well. Got no idea what to eat or where to start? Then take a look at this video and see the best protein-rich foods you can incorporate into your diet.